Wow, this playroom is a mess. Toys are everywhere. It looks like a tornado came through here. There are blocks on the floor, stuffed animals on the couch, and crayons scattered all over the table. How did it get this messy? Look, there's Snappy the turtle. Snappy loves to play. He enjoys building towers with blocks and creating fun stories with his stuffed animals. Snappy can spend hours in this playroom having the best time ever. But Snappy also likes things neat. After he's done playing, he always tries to put his toys back where they belong. He knows that a tidy playroom makes it easier to find his favorite toys next time. Snappy's friends Bunny, Fox and Panda love to make messes. They think it's so much fun to toss toys around and see who can make the biggest pile. They laugh and giggle as they play, not thinking about the mess they're creating. They tossed blocks and threw stuffed animals. They even had a crayon drawing contest on the walls. The playroom turned into a colorful chaos in no time. Now they don't know where to start cleaning. The mess is so big that it feels overwhelming. They look around, scratching their heads, wondering how they can ever get this room back in order.
This is a problem. We can't play in a messy room. How can we find our favorite toys if everything is scattered everywhere? We need to come up with a plan to clean up this mess. Maybe we can make cleaning fun. What if we turn it into a game? We can see who can pick up the most toys in 1 minute, or who can find the right place for each toy the fastest.
Bunny sighed. Fox frowned. Panda looked sad. They didn't want to stop playing, but they knew the playroom couldn't stay this messy. Cleaning up is no fun. Or is it? Maybe, just maybe, if we all work together and make it a game, we can turn this chore into something enjoyable. Let's give it a try. Snappy had a great idea. He knew how to make cleaning fun.
Let's play a game.
A game?
Bunny loved games.
Yes, a cleaning game. We can sing a song while we clean.
Fox wagged his tail.
A song?
Fox loved to sing!
Yes, a cleaning song.
Panda clapped her paws.
This will be fun.
Panda loved to have fun.
Here's how we play.
Snappy gave everyone a job.
Bunny, you put away the blocks. Fox, you gather the stuffed animals. Panda, you put away the crayons.
What about you, Snappy?
I'll put away the books. Ready? Let's sing.
Snappy started to sing.
Clean, clean, clean we go. Put the toys away in a row.
Teddy bears and kitties find their home. Each toy has a special place and the kids know just where to put them. Blocks in the box one by one. They carefully pick up each block and place it neatly inside the box, making sure everything is in order.
Stories and poems, filling the air with magic and wonder. The kids are lost in their books, but they know it's time to clean up, all by themselves. They work together, sorting toys by color and making sure everything is in its right place. Red, yellow, blue, back to you. Each toy finds its way back to its home, and the kids feel proud of their tidy playroom.
They sang and cleaned and sang. Their voices filled the room with joy, making the task of cleaning up feel like a fun game. The room started to look much better. With every toy in its place, the playroom transformed into a neat and organized space, ready for more adventures. Soon all the toys were put away. The playroom was spotless. Every toy had found its place, and the room looked as good as new. The shelves were organized, the floor was clear, and everything was in perfect order. It was a sight to behold. Snappy and his friends smiled at each other. They were proud of their hard work. It felt good to see the room so clean and tidy. They knew they had done a great job. Cleaning up wasn't so bad after all. It was actually fun. They had turned it into a game and everyone had enjoyed themselves. They laughed and sang as they worked, making the task feel like playtime.
Let's play again tomorrow. They all agreed that they would make cleaning a regular part of their playtime. It was a great way to end the day and get ready for new adventures.
And sing our cleaning song. The cleaning song had become their favorite. It made the work go by quickly and kept everyone in high spirits.
Cleaning up together is the best. They realized that working as a team made everything easier and more enjoyable. They could accomplish so much more when they worked together.
Snappy was happy. He loved spending time with his friends and making their playroom a nice place to be. It was a wonderful feeling to know they had done something good together. His friends learned that cleaning could be fun. They discovered that with a little creativity and teamwork, even chores could be enjoyable. It was a valuable lesson they would remember. Now they were ready to play again in their nice, clean playroom. The room was inviting and ready for new games and adventures. They couldn't wait to start playing again. Remember, cleaning up can be fun, especially with friends and a happy song. So next time you have to clean, try turning it into a game and see how much fun you can have.